Presenting the Kia 2020 Forte GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include automatic with auto-shift transmission, 4-wheel ABS brakes, multi-function remote, trunk hatch door tailgate remote engine start, smart device, dust sensing headlights, interior air filtration, rear bench seats, 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, remote power door locks and 4 doors. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.